Welcome back to Random Tasks. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy S10E. This is an old phone. Originally got it new. It was used for many years, and then it became a backup phone for my kids. It was working fine, and then I noticed that the battery wasn't really charging up beyond 70%. And it was also just running out of battery very quickly. And that's when I noticed this bulge. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bulge right here. That's not good. That means there's an issue with the battery. Now, this is not the original battery. This was replaced by a shop a year or two ago. But apparently the battery quality wasn't great. This back was also not original. I'd replaced that at one point because the other one had cracked. So fortunately, it was actually quite easy to just pry this off. Ta-da. And I can see that the battery pack has swollen considerably. So before this catches on fire or anything like that, and so it can actually be used, I'm going to replace it with a new battery, which is actually relatively simple. So all you really need once you get the back off, and if it doesn't come off quite so easily, you can use a little knife like this or something just to gently go around. You can see the adhesive on the edge here. All you really need is a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws to allow you to replace the battery. So let's get going. I'm just going to guess, because I've never done this one before. Well, number one, this needs to come up, which again, unfortunately, because it's been bulging, let's come up and you can see some nice, yeah, I don't think this was a new battery, but no, it does say second of, or it says, looks like 23rd of February 2025, so it's not, wasn't done that long ago. It's about a year and 4 months ago. So let's try to figure out how to take this apart. So there are 8 screws that need to be removed. Tiny little ones here. I'm just trying to remember where they came out. I'm placing them in the rough position that they are on the back of this. So I remember what goes where. They might all be the same length, but you never know. Okay, so those are removed, and that just comes up like that. Now, obviously, this has been out before. Otherwise, you have to really gently pry it up. There's a bit of adhesive back here. But again, this isn't the first time this has been apart. Similarly, if you needed to replace the battery, and this wasn't bulging and sticking out, you would use a heating pad to basically heat up the adhesive and then slice it through. iFixit sells one, a good kind of, they call it the eye opener. And it's quite a good little thing. Now with that removed, it's going to take a, probably use my fingernail really. Just going to pry up this battery connector. And again, the original is most likely stuck in. This is barely stuck in because this is removed. Rather, this has been removed. So this one is going to be safely disposed of. And the new one. Caution, not to be handled by unauthorized personnel. Am I authorized? I'm going to authorize myself. There's the new battery. I'm actually not going to use any adhesive. The thing's going to stay in there. Again, this is an old phone. Not too precious about it. Just makes my life easier just in case this battery fails eventually. Who knows? So I'm just going to press this down. And then that goes in there. Oops, that connector. Aha. It's not exactly lining up. So what I'm going to do is just remove this tape a bit, get a bit more wiggle room. Okay, that feels like it's now down. Great. Now, put this back on. Same thing, but in reverse. And I somehow managed to lose a screw. How's that possible? Probably fine. Again, this is an old phone. I'm not going to be too fussy. 7/8 ain't bad. So with that back in, I now need to get some adhesive and stick this back down. Now this is not going to be waterproof. If you really want to do this right, you can buy an adhesive kit from here, like one that actually has this cutout, and stick it on. I'm not really too fussed. This is really a spare phone for the inevitability when my kids break or lose their other phones. So I'm just going to put this on here. This is this nice B7000 adhesive. I like this stuff because it's flexible. So it flexes with the phone. Use this on a tablet. If you watched that video where I replaced a USB-C port on my Samsung tablet, this has been brilliant for keeping that screen on. The adhesive on, stick it on. Try to get this lined up, and this is a pretty beat up phone. And then I'm just going to apply some nice pressure on it, and then I'm going to stick something heavy on this for a while so that it sticks. And that's it. Relatively simple. Again, taking the back cover is not necessarily as easy as it was. Unless your battery is also bulging, then it should be relatively simple. But if it's not, you need to use some heat to remove it. At least to soften up the adhesive, and then get in there with a pick or a knife or something and very carefully go around the edge. You saw where I put the adhesive is essentially where the stock adhesive is normally. And that is going to do it. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Random Tasks.